Good evening, traders. I hope you all having a nice day so far. So let's go and quickly check what I've said in my last video as we have our target hit. Let's go and quickly check and I'll come back in a second. I can see the natural gas has created a nice double top engulfer. Sorry for the drawing. This red engulfer here, and which is another reversal signal. Yeah, then we can expect to see the market go all the way down towards 4.886. But that can only happen if the market breaks below this box or this support line here. So let's go and check on the different charting platforms. And we did hit 4.886. Here you can see exactly spot on before the market runs all the way back up to this level. I don't know what happened with my trading view chart. All the candlestick got disappeared from here. I don't know what's happening. Luckily, we got our analysis saved in my previous YouTube video. I don't know that strange thing happened here. We had like a nice 4 winning trades in a row, and if you have been following me from last week or so, we did some badass analysis on natural gas. Let's grab our Fibonacci tool and let's see what will be another pullback before the market continues its trend towards upward. Right now I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and here you can see the market has already made a pullback towards our buffer zone. Here you can see the market touched this level once, twice, and then third time here as well before making its move to upwards. So I'm expecting to see the market again towards this level, which is 5.431, and I'll keep my stop loss. Let's do it 5. It might give another pullback before bouncing off towards this level. So I hope you get some value out of the videos, and I hope you have taken some nice trade out of my previous analysis. We had some nice badass trades before, and I hope you get some value out of this analysis as well. And if you have any questions regarding trading or anything else, just leave a comment down below. You can also message me on Instagram. As I always say, guys, do not take my words on it. This is my opinion about the market. This is what I think the market would do. You want to enter the trade, enter on your own risk. Make sure you also read the disclaimer in the start of the video. So I hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.